Let me tell you the top 5 reasons that why you should choose Aasaan ERP over other ERPs. Let's start with the first one. The first reason to choose Aasaan ERP over other ERP is that it is comprehensive all-in-one solution. Let me explain to you this one. What we mean by comprehensive all-in-one solution. If you look at other ERPs, they are generally the modules which are integrated together, which may create some kind of issues when it comes to reporting and integrating different systems together. In Aasaan ERP, it's entirely different. Here, what we are doing, it's a complete set of superset, out of which we give you a subset as per your requirement. So basically, all the modules are well integrated with each other. If you don't want to use certain modules, those will be basically separated out. How it helps? It will help you to basically create any kind of report from the Aasaan ERP system. And this is applicable for all kind of business types. The second reason to choose Aasaan ERP over other ERP is that it is customizable and scalable for any business type. What do I mean by customization? See, if you choose any ERP, the customization has its own level that okay, it could be customizable. It could be customized to this level or it could be customized to another level. But Aasaan ERP is just like your own source code, which you can manage yourself, you can develop on top of it, you can do whatever kind of customization you want to manage or to suit your requirements. As well as it's scalable, so you can choose any kind of cloud type to deploy it, or it could be on on premises as well. So it all depends that what kind of requirement you have. Accordingly, you can customize it and scale it. The third reason to choose Aasaan ERP over other ERP is that it is easy to use and quick to implement. What I mean by easy to use is that the interface that we have chosen for using the Aasaan ERP is very simple, so that it could be easily learned and very quickly can be learned by any employee in your organization. Also, the feature, the way it has been implemented, the way it has been executed, it gives you a kind of feel that it's very simple to use. The second thing is that it is very quick to implement. This is also the reason that it is quick to implement, because when the people are able to understand the system fast, it becomes very quick for us to actually give you the kind of system that you want. The fourth reason to choose Aasaan ERP over other ERP is that it is much cost effective as compared to other ERPs into the market. If you compare Aasaan ERP with any other ERP into the market, you will find at least 3 times cost effective than other ERP. The reason behind that is we have our own team which implements the Aasaan ERP with you along with the channel partners who work with us. Now these channel partners have been kept under the guidance of the internal Aasaan team, which gives them regular training. This helps us to give it a quicker implementation, which in turn makes it much cost effective as compared to other ERPs. The fifth reason and the last reason for today's video why you should choose Aasaan ERP over other ERP is that we are using all the smart technology into the market today. For example, you can get AI driven insights into the Aasaan ERP. You can easily have an IoT integration with Aasaan ERP. You can have GPS integration. You can have geo fencing based biometric system. Like this, you have many smart technologies which you can easily integrate with Aasaan ERP, which gives you an extra edge over other ERPs into the market. Also, it is a cloud-based system so that you can get informed decisions anywhere, anytime, wherever you want.